What if I told you that one simple cup of this drink in the morning can help you rebalance your thyroid hormones, regulate your female hormones, calm down your adrenals, and will stabilize your insulin levels all at the same time? It sounds really good to be true, right? But here's the thing, your hormones don't work in isolation. They are all interconnected with each other. When one goes out of balance, it creates an imbalance in the other hormones too. And here's the trick which I learned after working with thousands of females with hormonal imbalances, that you have to work on all the hormones together, then only your body will get better. So today I'm sharing with you the recipe of the secret drink which I have prepared for my female patients, so that will help them to rebalance all of their hormonal systems in natural way. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people in reversing their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Hormonal dysfunctions are a major problem. Specifically for females, it creates a whole bunch of problems. And unfortunately, most of the people think that our hormones are working individually. But in reality, they are all interconnected. The endocrine system is like a symphony orchestra. When your thyroid section is out of tune, then it throws off your reproductive hormone section. When your adrenals are not working properly, that affects the functioning of your insulin, so that creates insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. So if you are that person who is feeling fatigued or tired, doesn't matter what you do. If you have mood issues or feeling anxious or depressed or stressed out on the frequent basis, you have PMS symptoms, or you have been diagnosed with PCOS, or you are unable to lose weight, doesn't matter what you do, or you have been diagnosed with a thyroid condition or insulin resistance or any other female hormonal issues, then this drink which I am going to share with you today is going to be a lifesaver, can help you in rebalancing all of your hormones together. So let me first share with you the each ingredient of this drink and the science behind how it is going to help you in rebalancing your hormones. Then I'm going to tell you exactly how to prepare this drink and when is the best time of consuming it. The first ingredient of this drink is maca root. So maca actually comes from a Peruvian plant which has been used for centuries for several female and as well as male reproductive issues. The interesting part about maca, which most people don't know, is that maca root doesn't have any hormones. It basically supports the functioning of your HPA axis, which is the hypothalamic pituitary axis. This hypothalamus and pituitary are your master endocrine glands, which controls all of your other endocrine glands. And studies have shown that consuming maca root powder can help in rebalancing your estrogen and progesterone levels in female's body all naturally. Plus, this maca root also helps in supporting your thyroid gland by working through this hypothalamic pituitary axis. That's the reason maca root powder not only helps supporting the female hormones but also improves energy levels by supporting the adrenals. The second ingredient over here is ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha powder has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries now. Recent research studies show that ashwagandha acts as an adaptogen. That means it specifically works on your adrenal glands and rebalances those. So if you have low cortisol, then the ashwagandha powder will help you in improving your cortisol levels. If you have high cortisol, then it reduces the cortisol in your body. So thereby ashwagandha works really great by supporting your adrenal glands. Plus, research also suggests that it can improve the thyroid hormone production as well as improves the thyroid hormone resistance in your body. The third ingredient over here is Ceylon cinnamon. This particular form of cinnamon has shown in research studies that it can improve the insulin sensitivity by 20 to 30% in people's body. Insulin resistance is a major problem. In this condition, your body cells are not able to utilize insulin, and that in turn affects your adrenals as well as your thyroid hormones, and that is responsible for you not able to lose the weight specifically which is around your belly areas. Plus, insulin resistance plays a very key role in creating female hormone imbalance. In fact, the new research suggests that the actual reason behind PCOS is actually this insulin resistance. So Ceylon cinnamon, by improving your insulin sensitivity, helps in rebalancing your hormones. The fourth ingredient over here is fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is very high in vitamin C as well as other antioxidants. It specifically supports your liver health. Liver is the major organ where your estrogen gets metabolized. Plus your inactive thyroid hormone, the T4, gets converted to T3 in your liver itself. As well as liver is responsible for detoxifying as well as processing of all the other hormones in your body. So this lemon juice, by supporting your liver health as well as by reducing inflammation in your body, helps support in rebalancing your hormones too. So now you know all of these specific ingredients are working on different hormones in your body, thereby giving you a complete drink which can help you in rebalancing your hormones. Now let me tell you exactly how to make this drink and when to consume it. So for this you need 1 cup of warm water. Make sure you're not using boiling water but just warm water. Then you add 1 teaspoon of maca powder into it, half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder into it, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder into it. Then you squeeze in half a fresh lemon into it. If you do not have a fresh lemon, then half a teaspoon of lemon juice also works. And then for taste purposes, either you can add half a teaspoon of raw honey or you can add stevia. And then you mix all of these ingredients into this warm water and let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. So all the ingredients get activated. And then after that, you can slowly sip this tea in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Don't gulp it down, but drink it slowly so that your body can assimilate all the ingredients into it. Now, what is the best time of consuming this drink? The best time to consume this drink is in the morning. The reason you consume it in the morning is that the maca root starts working on your HPA axis. It improves your energy levels, so you will feel your energy being really good if you consume it in the morning. Same with ashwagandha powder. It helps in regulating your cortisol levels, so setting the stage of optimal mental as well as physical strength to work throughout the day. Plus the lemon juice as well as the Ceylon cinnamon will help in removing all the metabolic chemicals which has been accumulated over the course of night time, so your body is again fresh and will work better this way. So this morning drink can actually also replace your caffeinated beverage of coffee or tea, because this is very energizing and you will feel really fresh, especially mentally and physically after drinking this tea. So this might also help you to get off caffeine too. So here you go, I have shared with you this specific 1 cup recipe that can help you in rebalancing all of your hormones naturally. I have made another video which talks about different kinds of foods which can again support this drink in rebalancing your hormone. The link will be in the description for you to watch it. So give this drink a try for the next few weeks and see what difference you will see. And then share in the comment section what improvements you have seen. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future. Plus, share this video with others who might benefit from this information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.